Hey guys, welcome to 6th grade, chapter 4, lesson 1. We're going to go ahead and get started. Turn this lamp on for you. Okay, so the first thing you need to understand is that a ratio is just a fraction. That's all it is. They're having you write it like this. Later on in the chapter, we'll write it as a fraction. Not a big deal, okay? So it wants the ratio of gray counters to white counters. Well, gray, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. You put a colon there, and white, there's 1, okay? 2 to 1, 2, 3. There you go. Okay. All right. Draw a model of the ratio 5 to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill them in to 1. Okay. So 6 to 3. Okay. However it is you want to do them. Okay. Really easy though, guys. It tells you how many to draw of which. Okay. So, all right. So we're going to use the ratio to complete the table. Really, this is all about patterns. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and this says Mark is assembling gift bags. For every 2 pencils he places in the bag, he uses 3 stickers. Okay. So 2 for every 2 pencils, he uses 3 stickers. So if there's 4 pencils, we need to multiply that. Okay. There's 2 sets of 2, so then we're going to do 2 sets of 3, which is 6. 6 sets of 2, 6 sets of 3. Sorry, I totally got that wrong. Okay, we're going to follow this pattern. Guys, sorry. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, all right. Saying making a bracelet, she uses 5 blue beads for every 1 silver bead. Complete the table to show the ratio between blue beads and silver beads. So we're going to follow the pattern. 5, 10, blank, 20. Well, obviously that's 15. Okay. 1, blank, 3. Well, the only number that goes in between there is 2, and the only number that's going to go after it is 4. Okay? Okay. There are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. How many quarts are in 3 gallons? Well, 4 quarts in 1 gallon. Okay. How many are in 3 gallons? Well, that means we need to multiply. We multiplied this by 3. We need to multiply that by 3. 12 quarts, guys. Okay? All right. Martin mixes 1 cup of lemonade with 4 cups of cranberry juice. So his ratio is 1 to 4. Okay. How much cranberry juice does he need if he uses 5 cups of lemonade? So, okay. Well, if there's 1, then there's 4. So 5 times 4, 20. 20 cups lemonade. Oh no, sorry, 20 cups cranberry juice. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go over to the back. You guys are gonna do the lesson check. Okay. Just follow the patterns. Okay. We're going to do the spiral review. It says Lewis has 45 pencils and 75 pens to divide into gift bags at the fair. He does not want to mix the pens and pencils. He wants to place an equal amount in each bag. What's the greatest number of pens or pencils he can place in each bag? So we, need to write out how we get to, the factors that make up 45 and 75 and see what's the biggest one they have in common is. So 3 and 15, no 4, 5 and 9, And I think that's it. Okay. Nope, sorry, not 2. 3 and 25. Sorry, I meant to do these in another color so that y'all would see it. Okay. No 4, 5. Okay. 5 times 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 15. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're good. Okay. So the biggest number they have in common then is 15. So 15 is your answer. Okay. You can write pens or pencils. Okay. There you go. Okay. All right. Of the 24 students in Greg's class, 3/8 ride the bus to school. How many students ride the bus? Well, 24 students, and 3/8 of them, means multiply. 24 is not a fraction. We're going to put it over 1. Okay. Now we're going to reduce. So 8 goes into 8 once, 8 goes into 24 3 times. Okay, so that means 3 times 3, 9. 9 students. Okay. Elsa made 0.44 of the free throw she attempted. What is the amount written as a fraction in simplest form? Well, so we have 44, and this last 4 ends in the hundredth spot. Okay. Now if we reduce that, let's reduce it by 4. So then we would get 11 over 25, and we can't reduce that anymore because 11 is prime. Okay. So 4 would go into 44 11 times, and 4 would go into 125 times. Okay. All right. On a coordinate plane, the vertices of a rectangle are -1, 1, 3, 1, -1, -4, and 3, -4. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So we are going to okay. You guys remember from last chapter, the ones that are the same, we're going to cross off, and then we're going to, you have a negative and a positive, so you're going to add those, okay? Now we're going to do the other ones, okay? So, all right, so -1, -4, and 3, -4. So we're going to cross off the ones that are the same, okay? -1 to 3, still going to be 4, okay? So, hold on just a second. Oh, sorry about that, guys. They actually wanted us to do the other ones here. Let me do it this way. Okay. So -1, 1, and then this -1 is going to go with this -1. Sorry, they did it a little strange. So -1, -4. Okay. Then we're going to have 3, 1, and 3, -4. Okay. All right. So we are going to cross off the ones that are identical. Okay. And then 1 to -4 is going to be 5, and 1 to -4 again is going to be 5. Okay. But then if we did the other ones, okay, we would get 4 each. Okay. So you actually have to do them both. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, to find out the distance between both sides. Okay. So if we add these together, okay, then we get 9 and 9, which is 18 units. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out for 4.1. Come on back for 4.2.